Video is brought to you by NutreeProfessional. When I saw some of the hair products that NutreeProfessional has, I was instantly attracted to the Amazon-less Tanino product. This product honestly had me at anti-frizz Brazilian hair treatment. Sign me up. This is a 4-in-1 treatment that actually smooths your hair, hydrates, repairs, gives you extreme shine, and actually disciplines your hair. You just apply it onto damp hair, leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, and then wash it out and let the hair dryer do all the work. Amazon-less Tanino is the only organic hair straightening product that allows you to smooth your hair while restoring it and at the same time maintaining your natural shape. And the special ingredient tannin is what plays the active role. Tannins are beneficial in many ways. They treat, moisturize, and protect your hair. Completely free of chemicals, can work on all hair types and last up to 8 weeks.